Never lose a moment of your Rog Ally gaming progress again by following this essential cloud backup tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to securely backup your Rog Ally and all your installed games using Dropbox, ensuring your hard-earned achievements and custom settings are always safe. First, let's locate where your game saves and configuration files are stored typically. These are found within your user profile. Open the File Explorer on your Rog Ally and navigate to your C drive. Then to the Users folder, and select your username from there. Look for either a Games folder or individual game folders that might be directly within the Users folder or your Apps folder, depending on how the game was installed. Now, let's set up Dropbox if you don't already have it. Download and install the Dropbox desktop application on your Rog Ally. Sign into your account once logged in. Dropbox will create a dedicated folder on your device. This is where we'll be syncing your important game data. The crucial step is synchronization. Identify the specific folders containing your game. Save files. These often have names related to saves. Config, or the game's title. Manually drag and drop these folders into your Dropbox folder. Alternatively, you can configure Dropbox to automatically sync certain folders. But for games, manual drag and drop is often more precise to start. To ensure continuous backup, make it a habit to periodically drag these save and configuration folders into your Dropbox. You can also enable backup for your documents and pictures folders within Dropbox settings, which may contain relevant gamma-related files. By following these steps, you're now safeguarding your gaming progress and settings in the cloud. This means if anything happens to your Rog Ally, or if you upgrade to a new device, you can easily restore your saves and configurations, picking up right where you left off. Protect your gaming achievements and settings with a reliable backup. Happy gaming!